Ladies and gentlemen, sa loob po ng arena sa San Juan, sa patuloy po namin paghatid ng first quarter in game number 1 of the finals between Harbor Center and Cebuana Luwilier. Pero backing violation ang itatawag dito against Harbor Center.
And this is just so much pressure. One-on-one defense being played right here by the black shirts of Harbor Center. One thing they're doing is they're denying Maki Escalona that leather. Kaya ang mga guardia yan, look at this, Intal. So, wala na agad bola dito para dito kay Maki Escalona.
Ken Bono, naghahanap ng papasahan. Look at the defense of Marvin Ortiguera. Erwin Santamaria challenging Jason Castro, and he scores.
Nakita nila, no? There's some sort of a mismatch down low. Erwin Santamaria taking it strong against Jason Castro.
First 2 points para sa Cebuana Luwilier, courtesy of Erwin Santamaria. Jason Castro ulit, sumagasa, the kick out. Chico Lanete for 3. And a big rebound by Chad Alonso. Castro finding the opening, swiped away by Ken Bono. And imagine the big guy, yung matchup na binanggit natin kanina, Ken Bono versus Jason Castro. And pati na naman sa agaw nakikita natin yung galing dito ni Ken Bono.
Ginawa na agad ni Ken Bono, no? Sabi niya kanina, pinataan kita, this time hindi ko nagagawin. I'm not going to do the same mistake. And Ken Bono takes it, this shot right here.
Rebound play won by JC Intao, the Rockets. Sana magbababa. A big roll to play para kay JC Intao. There's the kick to Alonso off the glass.
Great passing being done here by Harbor Center. They're up 6 points because of very good smart being done by the guards of Harbor Center.
Ken Bono spinning, getting the contact, wala. And Marvin Ortiguera gets it. The steal by De La Cuesta. Derecho bumping against Chad Alonso, and there's a foul.
Well, a little too excited was Marvin Ortiguera that time. I felt he should have brought that ball. Kaya lang nakita niya na mukhang umaalago na ang isa sa kanyang mga gwardiya. That's why he gave a forward pass, which was well anticipated that time by Eric De La Cuesta.
Eric De La Cuesta ngayon nasa free throw line. 2 shots for Eric De La Cuesta.
One of the most veterans playing here in this team, Eric De La Cuesta. A veteran of many wars here in the PBL, proving why he still has a team and doing his fair share in offense para dito kay Coach Luigi Trillo.
Missing the second, but Erwin Santamaria with a big rebound. Ito ngayon ang Cebuana Luwilier. Doug Kramer against Alonso. Kramer is blocked. Chico Lanete, tinatapakan ni Maki Escalona. Harbor Center will try to get it inside to their big man. The Rocket asking for some space. Pinasa kay Alonso. Drop inside to Ortiguera.
The first 2 points by Marvin Ortiguera in the last 2 games. He was the only one who was not involved in the offense. But look at the trust of Coach George Gallet. Starter pa rin. Itong si Marvin Ortiguera in this game.
10-7 lamang dito ang Harbor Center. Santamaria looking inside to Bono. Almost stolen away. Ken Bono making some space, operating against Marvin Ortiguera. And
Single
first
coverage
personal on Marvin.
That's right, Marco. Single coverage lang talaga ang ginagawa dito ng Harbor Center. No double teaming whatsoever. And Ken Bono feeling that he had an advantage over Marvin Ortiguera, taking it strong that time.
Mini huddle there by Harbor Center as Ken Bono gets ready para sa kanyang unang free throw. And he makes the first.
And you know, I'm sure we're not the only guys looking at Ken Bono. The giant. Actually, he's a very gentle giant from Iloilo. Pag narinig mo magsalita ito, talagang kala mo hindi makakapatay ng ipis eh.
Very unassuming no, sa laki.
Oh. I'm sure a lot of professional coaches, scouts, and what have you, they're all watching Ken Bono right now.
And he has been here before, playing with Montana. He already reached the finals with that team. And ngayon, balik sa finals ulit. Ito si Ken Bono together with Cebuana Luwilier. Chico Lanete. Binigay kay Ortiguera. And it will be last touch against Eric De La Cuesta.
And, you know, Eric De La Cuesta has been reading the passing lane very, very well.
Quintal. The fall away by JC. At that time, good defense applied there by Doug Kramer, his former teammate from Ateneo. Popping out there to try and block JC Quintal's three-point attempt.
And this is the thing I'm saying. Look at this. Double, triple teaming on Maki Escalona early and total denial. As Maki Escalona gets his ball. First time, ha? Kita mo. As Maki Escalona gets that ball, maraming pwedeng mangyari para sa opensa ng Cebuana Lumilen.
Escalona has blossomed in this tournament, and he has developed that passing play to the tee, finding Doug Kramer there. Ito naman ay mananatili ang possession sa panig ng Harbor Center Batang Pier coach George Gallant. On your screens, Chico Lanete. Binigay kay Marvin Ortiguera. Lanete stroking one from the right side.
And this guy is really, really right for the pros. Chico Lanete, very calm, very, very composed. That's why ito, may kita talaga natin dito, no? He's proving himself here in the PBL.
Escalona again to Kramer, and that combination has worked perfectly for them.
That's right, 4 straight points for Big Dog Kramer. Just down to a 3-point lead, 12-9, hanging on to that early start by Harbor Center. Itong white shirt ni Coach Luigi.
Chico Lanete with that dipsy-do of a layup. Nothing there. Escalona goes to the middle. Nakagawan. JC Quintal, we're expecting something here, and he slams it home.
At nakita natin, he could have given that pass dito kay Jason Castro, pero sabi ni Jason Castro, ikaw na ang dumakdak niya to make it a lot more spectacular.
Cebuana Luwalier on the offense. Santa Maria, the fall away. And there's a foul.
And again, nakikita nila, no? Nakikita nila kung nasaan ang slight mismatch. At hindi na sila nag-aatubiling ibigay kay Erwin Santa Maria, who's about 6'1", 6'2", at again, only 5'10", para naman dito kay Jason Castro.
Here's a breakaway para sa Harbor Center, the Rocket. At the end of things, elevating and finishing the way we've gotten so used to seeing him do all throughout his career.
That's right. Another highlight play para dito kay Jay. Nice about Maki Escalona. He finishes the layup very, very strong.
Chico Lanete naman sa kabila, dere-dere.
Para na sa ganun, baka maaga siyang mag-foul trouble at ilabas agad ni Coach George Gallant.
Santa Maria missing a second, but Kramer gets the rebound. Ariel Capus now in the ball game para sa Cebuana Luwalier. Escalona setting some order sa opensa ng Cebuana Luwalier. Here's Bono looking for Capus, pero nabasa. Jason Castro with a breakaway.
You know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's already the third steal of Jason Castro here in the first quarter.
6 points in the game for Jason Castro. Here's Escalona. Then Bono gives it back to Maki. Escalona with a penetration.
And that's one thing very good.
And nahuli natutulog yung depensa ng Cebuana.
Medyo naunahan doon si Maki Escalona, pero ayaw muna talagang pumaul nitong si Ken Bono eh.
Capus bothered by Castro. Here's Erwin Santa Maria, and he scores plus the foul.
And you know, it's an Erwin Santa Maria show para dito sa Cebuana Padalap. At nakikita talaga natin, no? Lahat talaga ng kinikilos dito ng Erwin Santa Maria, buo ang kanyang loob.
Here's another look at that great shot. Potential three-point play para kay Erwin Santa Maria. And magta-timeout po tayo mga kaibigan. A 4-point lead for Harbor Center, 18-14.